Today, I want to talk with you about tomatoes. Yes, really, tomatoes. I am so excited that my tomatoes are growing strongly. They're even almost flowering. I can't wait to bite into that sweet, juicy fruit. Hello, I'm Dr. Susan McGregor, and I'm here to help you to have more youthful looking skin so you can look and feel amazing every day. Welcome to Afternoon Tea with Dr. Susan. It's a few minutes of special me time, each one containing a useful tip or helpful information that will help you along your skincare journey. It helps you to have more youthful looking skin. So today, I want to tell you 5 things you probably didn't know about tomatoes. First, tomatoes contain a form of vitamin A called carotenoids. The liver converts some carotenoids into retinol, and retinol is circulated through the body in the lymph. Now, we all know that retinol is one of those magic ingredients in skincare, don't we? And if you tend to have dry skin, you'll want to know that the body uses retinol to stimulate production of new cells and to prevent the skin getting overly dry. Third thing, maybe you're starting to have premature wrinkles. Is that you? Then you need to know that carotenoids can help to protect you from the sun damage that can lead to premature wrinkles. Carotenoids are best absorbed by your body through a source of fat, and I'll explain that in a little bit. Eating your carotenoids is better for you than taking a supplement because eating it increases the antioxidant effects, and that's what you want to achieve. But be careful, because eating too much, if you have gastric reflux, can irritate that. Eating too much for some time may cause you to have kidney stones, perhaps may cause your skin to discolor, and may even cause you a bit of diarrhea. So how much should you eat? Good question. The NHS recommends eating 1 medium-sized tomato or 7 cherry tomatoes every day. Here's an easy recipe for tomato bruschetta that I use very, very often. Preparation takes 10 minutes. I like that. It stores in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. I really like that. And it's no cook. I seriously love that. It makes an excellent lunch or dinner starter. If you go to a restaurant and you buy tomato bruschetta as a starter, it may cost you between £5 to £7, and you get maybe 2 or 3 pieces. So well worth knowing how to make this. Here's what you'll need. 2 large tomatoes, about a quarter of a small red onion, a small handful of basil leaves, about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, about 1 teaspoon of garlic puree, salt and black pepper to taste. And of course, crostini or toast to have with it. If you're using toast, remember to cut the toast into 4 pieces to make it easier to handle. And now, this is how you make it. First, you chop the tomatoes to about ½ centimeter squares, and you put it all in a bowl. Then you chop the red onion into about ¼ centimeter squares, much finer than the tomatoes, and you pop that into the bowl with the tomatoes. Then you chop the basil really, really finely, as fine as you can, and you pop that into the bowl with the tomatoes and the onions. You add the garlic puree, the salt and pepper to taste, and the olive oil. Mix it all up, stir it all together, cover the bowl, pop it in the fridge for a few hours or maybe even overnight. In fact, the longer this marinates, the better it tastes. And then all you have to do is to pop maybe a spoonful of the bruschetta, the tomato sauce, onto the crostini or toast, and that's it. You have a fantastic lunch or a starter for dinner that will seriously impress your partner. Until next time, Take care and stay well. And in the meantime, if you've enjoyed this video, please do press the subscribe button so you can access future videos early. Thank you so much for listening. Bye now.